Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing the Colourful Contour Challenge. So right now, as you can see, I'm barefaced, so I'm going to put my makeup on and I'm going to tell you what the Colourful Contour Challenge is. Do my contour now with these just for the Colour Contour Challenge. So I'm going to contour with this shade which I used on my eyes, which is from Kiko, and this is in the shade 14, I think. I'm going to use my contour brush. It makes it look so much better now that I've actually contoured. So basically I'm going to tell you what the Colourful Contour Challenge is. So the Colourful Contour Challenge was created, I think, by Miss Mix. I'm going to have their post in the description down below. So her post says, I challenge you to do your contour with an unconventional colour to show that every colour deserves to be included in our beauty community. After seeing so many brands releasing foundations that are super inclusive of people of colour, I wanted to do something to address it creatively. As a mixed female, half Jamaican, half Irish, I get really frustrated when brands make darker shades and afterthoughts and act like our deeper shaded queens don't matter. So she wanted to create, this is a creative protest using the colours of the rainbow to do my contour, showing that any and every colour matters in this community. So, if you don't know, Beauty Blender recently released their Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, which I think has 32 shades, and 4 of them are like for dark, deep skin tone. Again, I'm going to have like that link down below. So before this was like released and the whole shade range was released, everyone was like so excited about this foundation being released because it's such a cool concept, like the Beauty Blender foundation. So it's got like the foundation and it's got like this flat surface, so you can pump the foundation onto the flat surface and then get your beauty blender and like dip it in and put your makeup in. So it kind of eliminates you having to put the foundation on your hand or like on a surface or something like that, so it's quite a bit like cleaner. And obviously Beauty Blender is like such a huge brand, it's such a huge company that so many people like use. I actually don't have a beauty blender, but it doesn't matter about that. So there's so much like outrage because there are so many brands that are very like people of colour friendly, such as like NYX, Lancome, Estee Lauder, and like NARS and L'Oreal, and also like Makeup Revolution. Like so many companies just coming out with multiple shade ranges, not just like darker skin tones, but also like very light pale. Like some of my friends, they have quite pale skin and they have to tan just to be like the lightest shade. So with my experience, sometimes, well, a lot of times, I'm always like the darkest shade. Like for example, I've got this a BB cream right here. This is the darkest BB cream that they do. This is the Bonjour Nudista Awakening Skin Tint by L'Oreal. Although like L'Oreal is very inclusive in their True Match and in their concealers, this one I think was like 3 or 4. I can't remember how many shades they had. This is the darkest one. I'm going to show you like what this looks like on my hand. So this is what it literally looks like on my hand. It just about works out, but when I use it's very streaky, so I don't use this anymore. So I'm going to show you like that all blended out. So this is quite orange, and like I'm not orange or like yellow tone, I've got quite a neutral tone, and that's also one of the problems as well. Like when a lot of brands release their like darker shades, if they have like 3 dark shades, most of the time it's like warm tones with like cool tones. They never do like a neutral as like the last shade, which is so annoying because I'm not, I thought I used to be like warm tone, but now I'm actually neutral. Also, a lot of brands always like say that they're going to release deeper, darker shades after like their initial launch, but I feel like if a brand is going to do that, they should just basically just wait like a bit and just sort out all of their shade ranges and just release all their shade ranges. There's no point in releasing like 28 light shades, 4 dark shades, and say, oh yeah, we're going to release the darker shades like at a later time. Like, just release all of the shades all at the same time. Like with Fenty Beauty, when she released her foundations, like the deeper dark shades like sold out like so quickly. So clearly there is a demand for like deeper dark shades. Like more brands need to be like aware of this, and I feel like a lot of brands like intentionally or maybe not intentionally release like 4 dark shades just for publicity, just so people can like talk about their brands and make them like more relevant. But if you like are more like people feel friendly, people are going to be talking about your brand, people are going to give you like good publicity, and you're going to make more like money, you know, if you have like more customers. So that is basically my thoughts on this whole deep dark shade range thing. Okay, so all in all, basically I feel like this is such a good challenge because it brings so much awareness to the fact that a lot of brands have really bad shade ranges, like such bad shade ranges, and this obviously needs to change like in the beauty community a lot. Like so much, there's so many like really influential people in the beauty community, especially in the black beauty community, like Jackie Aina and like Patricia Bright and like loads of other YouTubers. So, you know, and Nima Tang as well. So yeah, so obviously there is a market for darker shade ranges. Like if you make it, people are gonna go and buy it. Like the darker shade ranges for Fenty Beauty like absolutely sold out. Like it was sold out, it was gone. I actually need to go get it soon. So yeah, that's basically all I have to say for this video. So thank you so much for watching this video and watching me do my face and the Colourful contour challenge. If you like this video, please like, comment